All right, hello everyone. So we're talking here about the chapter 3 review, and so just kind of going over the types of problems we would expect. And this is just the review that you guys have. Um, so we should be able to solve by graphing, solve a system of two equations and two unknowns by graphing, where you graph both of the lines. All right, so we've got a couple of those problems, as you can see. So you should do both those and find the solutions there. And then we get into just solving systems using either substitution or elimination. And so, this one probably, it looks like an elimination one. I would probably try to create opposites with the y terms and solve doing that, eliminate the y's, and then solve using x first. Another problem looks like elimination to me. Maybe multiply the top by 2, so your y's are opposite. Or the bottom by -2, so your x's might be opposite. So your choice there. This one looks pretty tough. You might just, you know, uh, +2 on top and then a -9 on bottom so that the y's are opposite. But the numbers are going to get pretty big if you do that one by elimination, so be aware of that. And then this one we're solving probably using substitution. Take x plus 3 and plug it in for y in your next equation. So there's a substitution problem. This one probably doing by substitution as well. Probably just going to add x to both sides on this top equation and then substitute that for my y in the next equation. Up to you though, you can do elimination if you'd like. Here, so this was definitely a substitution problem, all right? Just, substitute 5x minus 20, put that for y in this equation, and then solve for x and plug back in for y. Three equations, three unknowns here. This appears to be maybe where we could eliminate, add the two bottom equations and eliminate x, and then we'd have two equations with y and z. And we could kind of go down that route. So that one's pretty standard for elimination. And then this one, of course, substitution. Probably going to solve this equation, the middle one for x, and plug that into both the others. Then you've got two equations with y and z that you can solve. All right, so that's a quick look at your review. Undo whatever I just did. All right, and then we're also I'm going to add a couple of problems, systems of linear inequalities. And we'll have maybe two of those that we'll be doing here at the very end, where you just graph both inequalities and then observe where the intersection of those are. So that's your review. That's what we've talked about here in Chapter 3, and that's what we're going to test over this coming week. So thanks for watching. I hope you do well on this review, get this all done, and then we can maybe have a Kahoot on Monday or Tuesday here. So everybody have a good weekend.